Struggling with acne and pimples? What if I told you the solution could be growing right in your backyard? Today, I'm showing you how to make a powerful all-natural neem soap right at home. It is gentle, effective, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Let's get started. First, I am starting with an aloe vera leaf. I wash it thoroughly, then cut off the head and soaked it in water to help remove the yellow latex. That is the part that can irritate your skin. Next, I take my fresh neem leaves, wash them thoroughly and add them to a blender. Neem is a natural antibacterial and antifungal powerhouse, perfect for acne-prone skin. I add 1 tablespoon of rose water to help blend and enhance the soothing properties. Now that the aloe vera has soaked, I cut off the tail and the spiny edges, then peel the top skin with a spoon and scoop out that amazing gel straight into the blender as well. I blend everything until smooth, then strain using a cheesecloth to get a clean silky extract. This will be our skin-loving liquid gold. Here is my homemade transparent soap base I made 2 days ago. I unmold it and cut out 250 grams of it into small cubes for easy melting. I measure out 51 grams of our neem and aloe vera extract and set it aside. Then also measure out 250 grams of the soap base. Using a double boiler, I melt the soap base slowly over low heat. Once fully melted, I stir in our neem aloe vera mixture and mix gently. Off the heat, I add the content of 3 green vitamin E capsules. These add an antioxidant boost that helps repair and nourish the skin. I pour the mixture into my soap mold and let them set for 6 hours. And trust me, the wait is worth it. I spray some alcohol spray over the top to get rid of the bubbles formed at the top during pouring, although this is totally optional. And here they are, homemade neem and aloe vera soap ready to fight acne and calm your skin. Let's test the foam. Gentle, rich lather, just what your skin needs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a natural acne solution. Let me know in the comments what DIY you had loved to see next.